Now, your exclusive 7-storm team forecast.
Greetings one and all. A cloudy day out there to start the work week off. We've had some cold temperatures today as well. A little light precip earlier this morning, especially in the eastern half of the viewing area. Otherwise, quiet conditions right now with just sort of some grungy skies out there. We've got cold temperatures in the 30s. As we take a look at the sleep tight weather cam here, you can see dry weather across the region, and we will keep most of us dry as we go through the night ahead. Let's take a look at where we have some flood warnings in progress right now. Of course, with the big melt this weekend, we had the warmer air. We had some good, decent soaking rains across the region. Several counties in the tri-states here covered in the darker green color there are looking at some minor flooding on rivers and creeks and streams across the region. Could be some flooded waters in low-lying areas. So use some common sense as you come through some of the country roads around the region. If you come up on some standing water, definitely don't go through it if you can't back up and head another direction. But otherwise, these warnings will all be pulled over the next day or two as we start to see those flooding waters start to recede across the region. Now, we are looking at just a minor chance of some precip as we go through the day tomorrow. It looks like a light wintry mix might move down in the northwest flow aloft. We are going to see no accumulation, though, I think, from this system. We will indeed keep the clouds around tonight on through the day tomorrow, maybe a few breaks overnight. Otherwise, we're looking at some much warmer weather as we head on into, say, Thursday and Friday. 50s in the forecast for Thursday. 60s for Friday. Some marvelous spring-like weather on the way to the tri-states. Right now it's 33 degrees here in Quincy, 34 down in Hannibal, 35 in Pittsfield. It's 32 degrees out in Macomb, 36 up in Keokuk. 33 and cloudy skies reported at the airport. Winds are out of the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. We only hit 37 degrees today. Our low 31, and we were in the lower 30s for much of the day. This 37-degree reading came in just after midnight. Our record low for the date, 0 degrees back in 1948. 49 and 31 are considered average for this time of year. Lots of clouds across the region. The storm system that brought us all the rain this weekend and the warmer air has moved well off to the north and east. Colder air coming in behind the cold front that came through late yesterday. Clouds hanging tough across much of northeastern Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois. We'll keep mostly cloudy skies in the forecast tonight. Can't rule out some scattered snow flurries. Later on tomorrow in the northwest flow aloft, we will notice a little bit of a light wintry mix dive across the region here. Some blues, some pinks and greens across much of mid-central to northeast Missouri, southeast Iowa, west central Illinois. That system darts off rapidly by later on tomorrow night. And then we're looking at clearing skies as we head into Wednesday. Lots of sunshine for your Wednesday with highs somewhere near 40 degrees. And then as we head into Thursday and Friday, we will notice the big time warm up as temperatures soar into the 50s and 60s. Mostly cloudy for tonight, maybe a few scattered flurries out there. Lows around 27 degrees I'm forecasting. Then for tomorrow, clouds, light mix possible in the afternoon mainly. Mostly cloudy skies, 39 degrees for an afternoon high. The next few days look just like this. 41 and sunny on Wednesday. Thursday, increasing clouds. Highs somewhere there right around 54 degrees. That will be marvelous as we move on into Friday. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures top out somewhere in the lower to middle 60s all across the tri-states. And then as we move on into Saturday and Sunday, it looks like Saturday's dry for the St. Patrick's Day parade here in Quincy. And then as we move into Sunday, cools back a little bit with some rain showers in the forecast. But right now, I'm going with the dry forecast for the parade, and it does look like some nice weather as we wind down the work week.
That is delightful. I'm still liking that 64 degrees. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it.
It's almost shocking to see it, isn't it, really?
It is.
It's been a long winter.
It has been a long winter. And knock wood, let's hope it's about over.
All right.
Thanks, Mike.